Interior design is more than just decoration. It's about transforming spaces to enhance how we live, work, and interact. At Blue Pillar Academy, our professional diploma in interior design empowers you to master the art of creating functional, beautiful spaces. Learn the fundamentals of space planning, lighting design, and material selection. Master industry-leading tools like AutoCAD and advanced 3D rendering to bring your ideas to life. Our program combines cutting-edge online education with real-world skills, allowing you to study anywhere at your own pace, gain hands-on experience through live projects, and expert guidance from industry professionals. Design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about solving problems, optimizing space, and creating environments that inspire and elevate experiences. At Blue Pillar Academy, you'll build a strong portfolio, preparing you to step confidently into the world of interior design. Whether you dream of joining a top design firm or starting your own practice, turn your passion for design into a successful career. Enroll in the Professional Diploma in Interior Design at Blue Pillar Academy, where your vision shapes the spaces of tomorrow. Blue Pillar Academy. Design the future, starting now.